Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the exact URL in Search Console. Look for Noindex tags, xrobots tag headers, or robots. TXT blocks. These immediately prevent indexing. Once done, confirm the canonical tag matches the URL you want and verify a 200 HTTP status with fast mobile load. Make sure the page isn't blocked by authentication or scripts. If you find issues, fix them now. You'll only request indexing after the page is fully indexable. Next, render the live page so Google can see what users see. In Search Console, use URL inspection and run the live test to capture rendered HTML and a screenshot. You want to verify structured data, internal linking, and a correct viewport are visible without blocked resources. If JavaScript prevents content from rendering, simplify or server-side render critical parts. Once the live test shows the right content and no blocked assets, you're ready to request indexing. Finally, you request indexing in Search Console, but only after the page passes the live test. Click Request Indexing and then monitor the coverage report and the URL inspection status over days. Make sure the canonical you set is honored and no manual action is present. If the URL remains excluded, troubleshoot crawl budget, canonical conflicts, or sitemap inclusion. A quick tip: re-index the parent or high-authority internal pages linking to this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.